Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to check camera version on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to camera application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And camera, go to gear icon on the upper left side on your screen. Okay, tap the gear icon. Here in camera settings, below you can see the about camera. Okay, you'll have to do is tap this to show the camera version of your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, the camera version is version 11.0.12.17. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully checked the camera version on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.